Hi everyone, Attorney Rachel Kelley here with another biggest mistake video. So this is a really simple one, but it's a big mistake that I see people do all the time. If you have a case for which you receive ongoing child support, ongoing spousal support, or if you have post-judgment issues that could come up, like you are expecting someone to pay something and then they may not do it, or if you share a child in common with someone and your kids are under 18, then you want to make sure that if you ever physically move your address, after you've changed your address with the state on your driver's license, that you make sure that you update your address with both the circuit court where your case occurred and also with the friend of court. If you fail to update your address, it's possible that you're going to miss out on important communications from the friend of court or even from your ex if they try to take you back to court. And that's because the court rules currently don't require parties to physically serve the other party if they're bringing post-judgment motions, even in a custody case. And we often see this problem. All the time, I see people, for example, who don't know that they've got money sitting out there with the friend of court because they just forgot to update the friend of court with their address. It is required if you have a child that is under the jurisdiction of the state of Michigan that you do update the friend of court every time you move that child to a new address, but many people just don't do it, and the courts don't enforce it. And it is very important to remember that you do have to update both the circuit court and the friend of court. These are two separate offices and they have two separate systems. That has to do with federal funding. It's really just something that is inefficient in our government. And right now, it doesn't seem like there's going to be a quick fix for that. So a reminder, if you move and you have a custody case, if you move and you've been divorced with minor children, make sure you update the court and the friend of court with your new address. Thanks. I hope that this has been helpful. And make sure to check back on our YouTube channel or our Facebook page where we post a video like this every single week.